Knowledge is to be shared. Here we continue with the quick revision series part 3.
Presence of ectopic endometrial tissue outside the uterine cavity is called endometriosis. The most common site of endometriosis is ovary. It's an important question, so I repeat. The most common site of endometriosis is ovary, followed by the most common second site of endometriosis is cul-de-sac. The most common symptom is pain. It's also an important question. The most common symptom of endometriosis is pain. The color of chocolate cyst is brown due to the presence of the pigment hemosiderin. Histologically, powder burned areas, puckered black spots, and pseudoxanthoma cells are present.
So again we repeat, chocolate cyst seen in endometriosis. Clue cells are seen in bacterial vaginosis.
Bacterial vaginosis is caused by Haemophilus vaginalis or Gardnerella. The discharge when mixed with 10% KOH, that means with 10% potassium hydroxide, fishy odorous scene.
Codman's triangle seen in osteosarcoma.
Osteosarcoma arises from metaphysis of long bones. It's also an important question. Osteosarcoma arises from metaphysis of long bones. In X-ray, sunrise spicules are seen. It's due to formation of new bones. It's also an important question. Sunrise spicules are seen on the X-ray of osteosarcoma. Microscopically, there will be formation of lacy osteoids.
Condyloma lata, secondary syphilis.
Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease. It's caused by Treponema pallidum. Incubation period is from 2 weeks to 6 weeks. The primary lesion of syphilis is heart chancre and it's painless. It's also known as Hunterian chancre. I repeat, the primary lesion of syphilis is chancre. It's also known as heart chancre and also it's painless. In secondary syphilis, condyloma lata is seen. It's seen in the mucocutaneous junction, painless silver-gray erosion surrounded by red periphery. The condyloma lata develops 1 to 3 months after primary lesion heals. The other features seen in secondary syphilis are moth-eaten alopecia, arthritis, proteinuria. The patient is most infectious during secondary stage of syphilis. This is a repeatedly asked question. The patient is most infectious during secondary stage of syphilis. The features of tertiary syphilis include gummata, tabes dorsalis, cardiovascular aneurysms, and heparlobatum. Next one is congenital syphilis. The earliest sign of congenital syphilis is snuffles. It's also an important question. The earliest sign of congenital syphilis is snuffle. Other features include snail track ulcers, Hutchinson's teeth, mulberry molar, saddle nose, Saber shin, and Olympian rose. Hutchinson's triad includes Hutchinson's teeth, interstitial keratitis, and eighth nerve deafness. I repeat, Hutchinson's triad include Hutchinson's teeth, interstitial keratitis, and eighth nerve deafness. Serological test. The most sensitive test in syphilis is FTA-ABS. The most sensitive test is FTA-ABS and the most specific test is TPI. The most specific test in syphilis is TPI. The first test to become positive in syphilis is FTA-ABS.
Current jelly sputum seen in Klebsiella pneumonia.
Klebsiella pneumonia is commonly seen in alcoholics and also in patients with uncontrollable lung disease or diabetes. Bulging fissure sign is a radiological finding I repeat, bulging Fisher sign is a radiological finding of Klebsiella pneumonia.
Next one is current jelly stool, which is seen in intussusception.
The most common cause of intestinal obstruction in infants is intussusception. Infants at the age of weaning is commonly affected. The most common variety of intussusception is ileocolic. There will be sausage-shaped lump in the abdomen. Emptying sign of dance or sign D dance is seen. It's a repeatedly asked question. Sign D dance is seen in intussusception. In USG, pseudo-kidney, target sign or Duffnut sign is seen. This question, current jelly stool is seen in, was asked during last year AIPGET exam.
Lines of Sahan, seen in arterial thrombus. Ectopia lentis is seen in Marfan's syndrome.
Marfan syndrome is caused by a mutation in the gene encoding fibrillin, which is required for structural integrity of connective tissue. So the genetic mutation is seen in fibrillin. The major tissues affected are skeleton, eyes, and cardiovascular system. The major tissues affected in Marfan syndrome include skeleton, eyes, and cardiovascular system. The clinical features are tall structure, long fingers, bilateral subluxation of lens, floppy mitral valve, aortic aneurysm, and aortic dissection. Ashkenazi cells seen in Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is the most common type of thyroiditis and its common cause is autoimmune. Next one is orphan Annie eye nuclei. It's seen in papillary carcinoma of thyroid.
The quick revision series will be continued. Thank you for your patient listening and hope you will prepare well for your AIPGT examinations. Thank you.